In the world of thermal power plants, a persistent challenge looms over thermal engineering applications, the problem of air leakages and air ingress. These unwelcome problems find their way into critical areas like penthouse, doghouse and expansion joints, causing disruption and headaches for operations at the cost of power plant efficiencies. Airseal, an airtight solution that puts an end to leakages, providing a shield of protection for your thermal power plants, a reliable way of staying up with power plant efficiencies. Through our cutting-edge solutions, we are revolutionizing the thermal power industry. Our innovative technologies and expertise enable us to minimize heat losses, preserving valuable resources and enhancing overall efficiency. Our proven record speaks volumes. With over 40 plus satisfied customers, more than 25,000 plus square meters of leak-proof areas and 200 successful Airseal installations across India, our solution has made a tangible difference. Our clients experience the remarkable benefits of Airseal from day one, as it not only delivers a substantial return on investment but also multiplies its advantages manyfold. Quality is the cornerstone of Airseal. Our in-house production facility, approved by NSIC and is also ISO certified, which adheres to the highest standards to deliver products that meet and exceed performance parameters. At our core, we have a bold ambition to be the fastest growing and most efficient brand in the power industry. Our mission is clear: reduce ash leakages, minimize heat losses and minimize SCC, that is, specific coal consumption. We strive to make a significant impact not only in India but also on a global scale. Experience the value that Airseal brings to your thermal power plants. Together, let's power the world towards excellence.